Hello friends, today we'll learn how to create a very simple macro and how to save it and use it. So whenever if you have any tasks in Microsoft Excel that you do repeatedly, you can record a macro to automate the tasks. Just like suppose if you want some of the selected cells in Excel to be formatted in such a way that the font will be red, it will be bold, and the background will be yellow, just like this. For that, I have created one Excel file. Suppose here some products are there and the quantity are there. Suppose I want a particular line to be highlighted with yellow color, the font of this line to be red, and background and the font will be bold. For that, what I will do, I'll record a macro and do it, and the same thing I'll repeat with another cells also, so that the same formatting will be copied there and immediately the same effect will be appearing there. So how to do it? Let us come. So come to developer, use relative reference and record a macro. Record macro dialog box will appear. The default name of the macro will be macro 1. You can give any name. Select a shortcut key with control. I am taking M. There is an option to store this macro in this workbook or new workbook or personal macro workbook. So this workbook is the default. I am keeping it as it is. Description of this macro, you can write anything describing it fully. I am putting it blank. Okay. So recording starts now. What I will do, I'll select one line containing Britannia and quantity 21, and I want to make it bold. I want to make it highlighted with yellow. I want to make the font to be red. So this much only I have done here. See. And if you wish, I want to change the font also. So it looks like this. This much I have recorded also by doing it. So now this much I'll stop recording. Come to developer and stop recording the macro. So my macro is ready now. Wherever I'll be, suppose the same set of keystrokes and mouse activity I can copy here also. Suppose in case of Horlicks, keep your mouse point here in Horlicks and press Ctrl M as the name of the macro to run it. The same thing happens here in Panchavati, Ctrl M. See, the same thing is coming up. Here also Haldiram, Ctrl M. The same thing is happening here. Okay. Thank you for watching.